Or luto na to.
Luto na yan, Duray.
Oh.
I remember my childhood,
That's portion.
sitting by the fire, roasting eggs on a stick. That egg's gonna hit me in the forehead, I know it.
That's it.
No.
That's how you do hard boil.
Look at Jojo.
I like
What's he
maalat.
wearing?
Hey, it's a graduation.
Looks like a chef's hat.
What the? Have a blessed Easter Sunday.
Nag-attend sila ng ano?
Abortion.
Abortion.
Ay, nag-pop na inside.
It's very tough.
This Indian loves cricket.
Huh?
Huh?
Linagay mo na lang yan sa tubig.
Is it called cricket? Cricket?
It's not fun. So easy.
Because they were dominated by the English.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
First time to see an
Nanganak na yung anak ni, ni Ate
Pwede na yan.
Irene, no?
Oo.
Malasado. Sarap yan.
Oh, marasado na ito.
Alasado, masarap yan.
Oh, just in case, wala kang ano, i-pironit mo lang pag mag-ano ka. Maligaw ka sa ano, ma'am?
Bundok.
Bundok.
Saan ka makakuha ng itlog?
bundok.
Itlog na
Hey, may baon ka, may baon ka. Oh.
May baong kang itlog.
Tapos wala kang
naligaw
ano,
ka.
fire lang.
How long does it take?
I don't know,
That's
babe.
already good.